Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create captions in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just tap on the one that we want to edit. Then in the bottom row we swipe to the right and tap on captions, and here we can select from what we want to generate. So for example, we can generate from all of the media, just the video, or just the voiceover. It depends what kind of sound we have in the video. But yeah, and afterwards we just tap on generate. It's going to load, and then we will be able to see the captions for our video. Just a moment and it's going to be finished. Yeah, as you can see, we have these captions which we can edit afterwards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.